Hey guys, I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I'll probably do a video about why in the future. I just wanted to talk to you about a beauty journey that I've been going through the last few months. Before I do that though, I want to just kind of give you guys a disclaimer. Anything beauty treatments that I'm going to talk to you about, if you try it, it's at your own risk. Just talking to you about what has been positive for me. Exactly. It's basically, this video is for entertainment purposes only, but I'm telling you honestly my journey. Okay, so yeah. So basically, what I want to talk to you today is about since April of 2020, I have been using the hyaluron pen. And I feel quite happy about my results. Now, I've been using it, I think in the summertime, I used a cross-linked hyaluronic acid, which is, a gel. But basically, since the spring, since I believe May, since I received my hyaluronic pen, hyaluron pen, Hya pen, whatever you want to call it. And I have been using hyaluronic acid non-cross-linked high molecular powder and constituting that into a gel. So using basically hot sterile water and turning it into a gel. There are videos here, of course, on YouTube about turning hyaluronic acid powder into a gel. I think I will link one below. So how has that done my skin? Well, I focused on, here I have trying to make sure that I don't get really hard 11 lines, making sure that the nasal labial folds don't seep in, trying to keep my jawline nice and crisp and my lips nice and full, and yeah, working on the eye area. And so it is not the same as a cross-linked gel, this powder that you, non-cross-linked powder that you reconstitute into a gel, but it's much more cost effective, and so you use it in a different way. It's basically, if you've seen on YouTube here videos about hyaluronic acid for mesotherapy, usually most of those treatments are with non-cross-linked treatments, non-cross-linked gels that are already pre-made, and naturally those cost more. So yeah, I just thought, okay, why can't you try the powder? First turn the powder into gel and use the hyaluronic acid pen, which is a nebulizer. It uses high pressure to infuse the gel into your skin, so there's no needles, but it is getting under your skin. And so you basically, you treat whatever area you want to treat once a week for 6 weeks, and that's as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, I mean, your experience might be different, your skin might be different, but as far as my treatment, my journey, what I've decided to do for me, once a week for 6 weeks, and I'm safe to say that it lasted me about 6 months. Now, because, I'm always looking in the mirror, looking, well, what can I do? Do I want to work on my under eye area? Do I want to work on my cheeks, plumping up the cheeks? Do I want to work on fullness of the lips? Yeah, I mean, I have done it more than that because there's always something that I want to look at, But general rule is when you're using non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid, you use it every week for 6-week treatment. And if you're using a hyaluron pen, it's the same difference. Okay? So, and that would, of course, that's the traditional way, so with an injection. But we're not doing any injections here because, I mean, I am trained to do injections, to be honest. But with the hyaluronic acid pen, you don't have to worry about vascular inclusions, which means a vascular inclusion is if you use an injection, you could hit a vein or an artery, and you could cut off your blood supply. So that you don't want to do that, and that's the reason why instead of me having to think about or where are the vessels, and I mean I know generally where the vessels are, but everyone is a little bit different. You use the hyaluronic acid pen. You use a 0.01 shot in the face, so it's the least most deep shot you can do. I've even done half of that, which you turn basically the cock, or you call it you crank it just a half turn. Normally a 0.1 is a full turn. You just turn it a half turn. For example, my temple area. This is a very, normally I've seen many people say you don't even shoot at the temples, but some do. And so if you have very thin skin here and you want to build up your temples, I did that with a half point. So that's 0.01, but just halfway, not the full turn. And does it, has it lasted? I mean, you can still see right now I'm due for actually hyaluronic acid treatment. So the last time I did it was October, maybe November 1st, something like that. And so I am definitely due. But as far as what has happened, what has gone on with my skin, I used to have really bad dark circles that were coming in. I mean, I always had them even since I was a child, but they started to get worse once I hit 35. Anyway, the point is, yes, you can use the hyaluronic pen, hyaluron pen, with hyaluronic acid powder that you reconstitute, but it is not cross-linked, and you have to use it multiple times in order to get a lasting result. But it won't last as long as a cross-linked gel, and you have to use it, in my experience, at least 6 times, once a week for 6 weeks to see some sort of result. So yes, you're putting in more time, but you're saving your money. So it depends on if you want to waste more time or you want to save your money. It depends on your situation. How much did I pay for my hyaluronic acid powder? I bought, I think, 10 grams here. I want to say, no, I'm sorry, 50 grams. 50 grams, and I paid 15 euros. And you reconstitute that could be, from what I remember, that would be about, if you're using 1% of the hyaluronic acid powder to 99% water, it would be about 1 liter of hyaluronic acid gel. That's from what I could remember. So, of course, who's going to use a liter of that gel? Like, never. So those packs that I bought will last me for years. And the powder, I'm only using small quantities. So, yeah. So I'm happy with that. How long will I be doing that? We'll see. Right now, it's working for me. Noticing results. I'm overdue for a treatment, but as you can see, I mean, I'm over 35, and I don't have any real wrinkles, and that, I do believe, is because of that treatment. Because I've done other things over the years, the HIFU device, home device, of course. I've done lasers, diode laser. I have at home for home use, and they have helped. There's also drawbacks to those different treatments for different reasons. But the hyaluronic acid pen is really I believe it's cost effective, it's quick, and you do get a lasting result. So I just wanted to send you that little message, and I will be talking about definitely other topics as far as different subjects that interest me in the future. And wishing you guys a great day.